Good afternoon, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I would like to say a few words about the company's work over the past 25 years. One of our tasks was to stabilize the financial situation of the company. Last year, we managed to achieve a positive financial result and made a profit for the first time in a number of years. It is especially pleasant to note that, in general, we plan to hand over more than 50 warships and civilian vessels. This is the largest number in the entire 18 years of the existence of the United Shipbuilding Corporation. At the same time, we are working to modernize the development of manufacturing capacities, especially in the machinery and sea construction. I would like to give an example. In July of this year, we handed over the first high-quality cruise ship, the Red Storm, in Nizhny Novgorod. It was designed for 176 people, but in fact, it replaces the ships that the GDR had.
How many years has it been?
In fact, only the GDR ships still run along our rivers.
It's been many years.
And now there is a great prospect of new orders for this ship, because it seems to me that this is a very important task for the development of domestic tourism. We are working in a hurry. In my opinion, the State Defense is ordering. Today they gave a delay in raising the flag on the nuclear submarine. In March, a rollout of the nuclear submarine Perm took place. And of course, a big event for us is the completion of the repairs of the Anakhimov cruiser. It is already being tested. And in the near future, we believe that it can already be a combat unit of the Russian Navy.
Andrei Leonidovich, apparently, it was not in vain that I asked the State Defense to join the work of the Joint Construction Corporation.
But you are not doing anything in vain.
Thank you for your support.
Without your support, we would not have done anything. We rely on you.
Thank you very much.